for another attempt at this swirl phosphorus technique. So we don't need the screen. Get rid of the screen. We don't have no hot glass. Make that fit the pattern. Mark your pattern with an arrow. And here's this piece. I think I'll redo that. I would rather mark, this one's already cut. So I'm gonna remark that. Scribble that one out. That fit the pattern again. Okay. I don't get to cut much off. So we got my handy dandy hacksaw blade. So I'm laying it at an angle this time, and I'm pushing pretty good, and I'm pinching where I'm cutting. I'm cutting a groove now, a V in the glass that came straight off. Really good cut. You gotta wipe your phosphorus out. If you don't, you get a hole. Put the cork over here. Put the blow hose on this end. Okay. I've got a fan going. It's got too much air going to make a weld. Get your hose out of your way. When you go to the pattern, you don't want to be fighting your hose. So you want to fan your glass before you go right into it. All right, here we go. We're going to get this done. We get both edges nice and hot. When we stick it together, we're sucking before we touch. It's sealed. It's a great technique. So then you suck and you blow. If it's sealed, then you blow it out and you let the fire suck it back down. And we'll do it again and we get a really nice weld. Blow, pull. Make it fit the pattern. Okay, this piece, I want to move it and it cracked off on me, so hopefully I can get it back on there. It's kind of a pain in the butt here. Let's see if that'll work. Yeah. Hopefully it doesn't crack. This one has. Looks like I'm going to catch it. Oh! Okay, so we're going to preheat these tweezers a little bit. We're going to grab that piece that popped out. And we're going to stick it back on there. Just like that. Okay. sucking and blowing. I do have a hole right on the very bottom. You can see it when you blow. You got to blow gently when the flame's on there. You can see the flame move. I got it. You got to learn to control your air and blow and suck with the flame on the glass. You'll blow holes and everything else. I still do once in a while, but for the most of it part I don't. Blow and pull. Okay, this electrode has to be straight. Just like that. Nice. There's your letter E going into your letter Y, or A, excuse me. Now this is going to be a face weld, unfortunately, but we'll see if we can make it work. Last time we tried it, it cracked. So I already had my mark on the pattern for welding. Line everything up. Mark the dude. Center mark. Okay, we're going to pull them both. Just to make sure, or try to make sure, that it cuts evenly and leaves me and doesn't crack. This is nothing unusual for stuff to crack. It just happens. You just deal with it. Okay, I pulled on that just a little bit. I'm going to do it again on this one. This takes a few more minutes to do, but it's worth it because 99% of the time you get a finished product. Nothing cracks on you. So it's moving. So I just grab it and I pull on it just enough to make a little divot in it. Okay, so by the time I heated this one up and pulled it, this one's ready to cut. It's about a minute. Takes. So I'm going to cut that center mark. If it don't come apart when you tap it, you got to keep cutting. Don't hit it hard, because it'll just make a mess for you. There we go. Nice nice cut. Now, this one's ready to cut. There we go. Nice cut. Okay, we're going to need the screen because this is a face weld. It's done on the paper. I'll do it above the table here, or maybe not. Just touch both heated tubes. You want to get them cherry red. Touch them together, suck and blow. Blow a little bit. We're not going to manipulate this one a whole bunch. We don't disturb the phosphorus, as little as possible. Okay. Okay, this is perfect. This one's off just a little bit. And a little bit makes a big difference on these housings. So I'll just heat this up right here and move it over. And then I can put a mercury ball in it and we'll get them pumped.